Welcome to our polar bear world, a world of windows, conservatories, porches, doors and driveways. A world where we guarantee a huge choice, quality, value and unrivaled service. Polar Bear Windows offer you a bespoke opportunity to turn your dreams into reality. This video will give you a glimpse of some of the work we undertake. We set our standards high and can guarantee that all of our work is carried out by time-served, gifted craftsmen who take a huge pride in their work. Transform your home with Residence9 windows. Residence9 Windows is a clever blend of old and new. It is designed to replicate 19th century timber windows, but fuses the traditional look and feel with modern materials to create a window that is both elegant and energy efficient. The perfectly flush exterior recreates a true timber alternative aesthetic, whilst the interior is stylishly decorative, creating a classic home feel. The modern material is virtually maintenance-free, no painting or staining required. Cleaning your windows needs minimum effort, meaning they look newer for longer, leaving you time to do more of the things you love. An eclectic blend of traditional aesthetics and innovative design. Whatever period your property is, we know your Residence9 windows and doors will look great, as we have used historical design and considered conservation guidelines which authentically replicate the traditional timber sightlines. You will immediately notice the benefits of the thermally efficient 9-chamber design and modern glazing, whilst keeping the character of your home traditionally transformed by Residence9. Come and talk to us and tell us your preferred frame choice. Polar Bear Windows have numerous options for you to choose, or, if you prefer, we are happy to advise you and talk you through our different alternatives. Double or triple glazed. Every window is individually made to suit your own specific needs and requirement. We have the perfect roof for your conservatory, namely a Guardian roof. Thermally efficient, it will reduce heat loss by up to 90%. A Guardian warm roof will literally transform your conservatory into the kind of room you always wanted, a relaxing integral part of your home. Polar Bear Windows will also present to you a choice of finishing touches and, more to the point, making sure it looks great, but that it is also as secure as it can possibly be, with key locking features like chute bolts, excluder device and key locking handles. At Polar Bear Windows, we give you the facility to create your own quotes, or alternatively, give us your details and we will provide you with one completely free of charge. We also give you extra special finance options, which allows you to manage your home improvement budget in a flexible and convenient way. Now you know a little more about us, why not come and meet us and see for yourself what genuine people we are. And we promise you, the only pressure you will be placed under is how you prefer your tea, coffee or hot chocolate. The kettle's on. What are you waiting for?